3-tab roof. Something that's just blown my mind for many years. I've done this 17 years now and just never understood why people have installed 3-tab this way. What's the problem on this bottom row here? Can you see in there? Anyone see it? I mean, it's pretty obvious. You see me picking this up. Where's the seal strip? In all my years of roofing, I've never seen anyone install the starter really how it should be. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe manufacturers said that's how to do it. But what I've always done, what I was taught to do by apparently very few, if you look at the shingle, imagine this it. You're going to make this shingle into your starter. Pretend this one's not here. That seal strip that comes through here right here. Take a knife and cut this tab, and the 3rd tab off. So these are gone. You now have a solid seal strip right here. That head lap that goes up plenty high, and your seal strip is the starter row now. You slide it down and then put your row on top. You'd have a seal strip under every one of these. I just don't understand all my years how many roofs I've seen where they've never had an adequate seal strip. They've never used a starter row or made a starter the right way. Luckily, this isn't blown off, but a lot of times they do. I don't know. What am I missing? I mean, let me know. Comment below, let me know. Do you guys know something I don't? But to me, that just doesn't make any kind of logical sense. And also, why so many contractors in these tract homes just threw up their decking like this with nothing covering it? There's no apron, no edge metal, no ice and water. Anyway, quick video, under 2 minutes. There you go. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't. You're missing a lot. Oh wait, just right now. Go on down, scroll down, give me a blue thumbs up and subscribe, ring the bell. There we go, 2 minutes. See you next time.